In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a skin rolling technique which can be used anywhere on the body to release and stretch the tissue, which will allow the skin to move more freely over the underlying structures. I'm going to do some skin rolling over the scapula here and around the rhomboid area. So firstly, we can pick the skin up between our thumbs and our fingers, and then I want to keep that roll up, don't let go of it, and then you will just get into a little rhythm where you're rolling that tissue down. Some areas of the body are a lot easier to do this on, so that works really well. If you get to a point where it just feels a little bit more restricted, then you can hold that area a little bit longer and do a little twist and a little shear on that area. Massage therapists are normally told to avoid work on the spine, but this is a lovely technique here where you can pull the tissue out from the spinous processes as we're lifting and not compressing, and you will feel a bit more restrictions in this area. It is also quite common to feel a little bit of popping, a popping sensation. We can do this technique as well on the lumbar area. So again, grab the tissue between your thumb and your finger and roll it. I can feel it's a lot tighter around this area. So we're gonna twist and shear and a little bit of a pull as we work our way up. Definitely needs a little bit across those spinous processes. I'm going to do the same technique now around the knee, and if the client has had an old MCL sprain here, you often find the tissue gets a bit sticky around this area. So what we're going to do is again pick up. There's less tissue, so the roll is a lot smaller, but you're lifting up off the surface. And with an MCL sprain, you might find when you get to that position here, that does need a little bit of extra work just to loosen up that area. So just to recap, we pick the tissue up between our thumb and our finger, and we keep that roll there and try and keep that roll lifted as we then work with our fingers and thumbs, working and parting that area. Main thing about this technique is you don't want any oil or lotion on because there'll just be too much slip. So it's nice without any medium. So it is a technique you can start with. We hope you found this video informative and can use these techniques with your clients. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.